How to link Google Calendar with Trello. So let's get started. Open your board, and first thing we need to do is add Power Up. Click on these three dots, go Power Apps, and then simply search Google Calendar. Now you get two options how to do it. You can choose this Power Up Google Calendar Sync. In my opinion, this one is better because it's two-way synchronization. So choose this one, click on Add, scroll down, click Add again, and then just simply go Settings. If you sync something from Google with your Trello already, you don't need to do anything and that's it. But if you're not, click on Settings and here will be something like link your Google account or something like that. But if it's not, you are already in and everything is set up. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment or hit the like button, and if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel.